Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to see how to make coleslaw sandwich. The recipe is really simple to make and it's really healthy to eat. First let's make mayonnaise, for which we require 1 cup of oil which is unflavored and half cup of milk and 3/4 tablespoon of white vinegar. Add all 3 ingredients into the mixie jar and blend it for 30 seconds. Now our mayonnaise base is ready. Now let's add the seasoning into it. For seasoning, I'm going to add salt, sugar and garlic. Add all the seasoning into the mayonnaise base and blend it for 10 seconds. Our mayonnaise is ready now. Refrigerate it for half an hour before use. Now let's make the main stuffing, for which we require carrot, cabbage, onion and capsicum. For seasoning, we require mayonnaise, salt as per taste and pepper powder. Now take a bowl and mix all the ingredients together. Now our stuffing is ready. Now I'm using sandwich bread. You can even use normal bread. Now cut the brown edges of the bread. I prefer to use a scissor than a knife to cut the ends of the bread because it's really easy to handle. Don't waste the edges of the bread. You can use it for making breadcrumbs later. After cutting off the edges, now apply butter on the bread. Repeat it on the next one. Now let's start applying the stuffing inside the bread. Make sure that you're applying the stuffing evenly. These sandwiches taste really good when they are fresh. Now let's cover the stuffing with another bread. Give it a gentle press on top. And our sandwich is ready to eat. Hey guys, if you like this recipe, let me know by liking the video. And don't forget to comment down below.